Hello friends, myself Donales. Today I am going to discuss some important MCQ questions. I have already discussed some questions in previous lectures, and today I am also going to discuss some objective questions for Mahagenco exam 2023 for assistant engineer and junior engineer post. My MCQ questions on topic thermodynamics. See, first question. Today's first question is question number 11. Absolute zero temperature is taken as, options are given here, minus 273 degrees Celsius, B 273 degrees Celsius, C 237 degrees Celsius, and D minus 373 degrees Celsius. See friend, actually absolute zero temperature is taken as 200 minus 273.15 degree Celsius is on Celsius scale. This is the absolute zero temperature, and 0 Kelvin is on Kelvin scale. So, but our options are on degree Celsius Kelvin scale, and options are given here: minus 273, 237. This is not the answer of the question. This is also not the answer. This is also not, but this is the correct answer of this question. Now we will move towards the next question. Question number 11. Question number 12. See friends, question number 12. Which of the following is correct? This is on absolute pressure. See, question number 12 is which of the following is correct? Option number A, absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Option number B is gauge pressure is equal to absolute pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Option D, atmospheric pressure is equal to absolute pressure plus gauge pressure. This is the option number C. Just slightly there's mistake here. And last option is D, absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure minus atmosphere. See friend, we have already seen in thermodynamics the absolute pressure line is, see, this is the basic line which is known as absolute pressure line, where pressure is equal to 0. We have taken here pressure is equal to 0. This line is known as absolute pressure line. See, from this line, when we move towards upward at a particular line or particular point, there is atmospheric pressure. This is a P atmospheric. This is your P atmospheric. Atmospheric pressure, P atmospheric. When we move towards the upward side, then this is known as a gauge pressure, P gauge pressure or gauge pressure. And when we move towards the downward side from this atmospheric pressure is known to downward side, this is known as the vacuum pressure. This is the vacuum pressure, P vacuum. See, now the relations are given here. Option number A, the relation is given absolute pressure, P absolute is equal to what will be the relation? Gauge pressure, P gauge plus P atmosphere. This is correct one. Atmosphere. This is the correct one. Now, what about B? The gauge pressure is equal to, what is the gauge pressure? The gauge pressure is equal to, here, absolute pressure minus atmospheric. This symbol plus, instead of plus symbol, there must be the minus symbol. then this option B will become correct. Otherwise, this is a wrong option. Then what about C option? This is the atmospheric pressure is equal to absolute pressure plus gauge pressure. This is also not correct option, because this atmospheric pressure is here and this is your absolute pressure. Here maybe the absolute pressure minus gauge pressure. This is also minus. Then absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure minus. This is also not a correct answer, because there is a mistake in symbol. So the correct option is first, absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now we will move toward the question number 13, friend. This is on absolute pressure. This question is on absolute pressure. So you must have to know the relation between the absolute pressure, gauge pressure, and atmospheric pressure for this question. Okay. Now we will move to question number 13. It's very simple question. The unit of energy in SI unit is option number A, joule, joule meter, watt, and joule per meter. The correct answer is what? Student, this is the correct answer. Joule. Joule is the SI unit of energy. Now next question is question number 14, friend. 1 watt is equal to, see option number A. What is the option number A? 1 watt. Watt is nothing but a power. Power means energy per unit time. Energy per unit time. See, energy, the SI unit of energy is joule per second, but 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Then what will be the SI unit of the watt? Is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. See, this is the relation between 1 watt is equal to 1 Newton meter per second. So option number 1 is there, 1 Newton meter per second. This is the correct answer. Second option B is not correct. Newton per meter minute. This is not the correct answer. Then 10 Newton per second. This is also not the correct answer. 1000. This is also not the correct answer. And 1000 Newton. So correct option is A. What is the relation between 1 watt is equal to 1 Newton meter per second? This is the correct answer. Now we will move towards the question number 15. 1 joule. 1 joule is equal to what? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Option number A is correct. Then question number 16. What is the question number 16? The amount of heat required to reach the temperature of 1 kg of water through 1 degree Celsius. This is called as option number A, specific heat at constant volume. Option B, specific heat at constant pressure. Option C, kilocalorie. Or option D, now. See friend, this is the definition of calorific failure, kilocalorie. So option C is correct. The amount of, see what is given here, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water. This 1 kg of water temperature is increased through the 1 degree Celsius, which is known as the kilocalorie. Now we will move towards the question number 17. The heating and expanding of the gas is called as option number A, thermodynamic system, option B, thermodynamic cycle, option C, thermodynamic process, option D, thermodynamic law. What is the correct answer, friend? Thermodynamic cycle. The heating and expanding of the gas is called as a thermodynamic cycle. So what is the thermodynamic system? System is a part of universe under thermodynamic consideration. This may not be the answer. Then what is the process and what about thermodynamic law? So these two are also not the answer C and D. So thermodynamic cycle is correct answer. Now we will move towards the question number 18. What is the question number 18? A series of operations. See friend, the series of operations which takes place in a certain order. Let us suppose series of operations. See friend, this is the diagram and this is the initial P diagram. P is the pressure with the volume. See first point, at this point the pressure is P1, then volume is V1. Similarly, at a certain condition, the next point is P2, the pressure P2 and volume V2. In this way, there are different operations are taken into consideration. These are the operations. Okay. What is the question? Series of operation which takes place in a certain order. These operations takes place in certain order and restore the initial condition. Restore the initial condition. See friend, here this is your first is the initial condition 1 and the last one is known as the final condition 2. After some time these 2 become 1, means the initial condition, final condition of the initial condition and final condition of the system or the series of operations are same, which is known as a thermodynamic cycle. This is known as thermodynamic cycle. The option number C is correct answer. Reversible process may not be an answer. Irreversible also not the answer, and none of the above may not be the answer. And the correct answer is thermodynamic cycle. Now we will move towards the question number 19. So first of all, I will erase this part. Question number 19. So what is the question number 19? The condition for the reversibility of the cycle is, see, first condition, the pressure and temperature of the working substance must not differ appreciably from those of the surrounding at any stage in the process. See, friends, this is the correct condition for reversibility of the cycle. Then B, all of the processes taking place in the cycle of the operation must be extremely slow. This is also correct one. Then the working parts of the engine must friction free. This is also correct condition. There should be no loss of energy during the cycle of the procedure. Means all are the conditions for the reversibility of the cycle. So the option number E is correct. All of them, these are the All of options are the correct for this question. Now question number 20. In an irreversible process, there is, what is the irreversible process? Reversible process, friend. Irreversible process means there is loss of it, loss of energy. There is loss of it or loss of energy. So option number A is correct. There is loss of heat. Option number B is opposite to option number A. So this is not the answer. Gain of heat also, this is not the answer. No gain of heat, this also. So correct answer is loss of heat. So question number 20. In an irreversible process, there is a loss of heat. The option number A is correct answer. Okay. I have taken these questions from this book, Mechanical Engineering by R.K. Rajput. Thank you, friends.